What's up, Whiskey Tango Foxtrot fam? New year, new me. Happy New Year, happy 2026. It's our first video of the year, other than, like the best of video, I guess, even though it's more like a 2025 video. I got a few little projects planned. Told you I was going to do a little more garage videos. Today, I wasn't planning on working on this, but old girl here blew, or I guess, destroyed both batteries. I've had a sneaky suspicion that one of them has been going bad for a while. I've been bitching and moaning about it in our group chat and had come up and devised this crazy plan for how to get a lot more battery capacity in here. Because I do have a pretty stout sound system, a bunch of accessories, but I hardly ever use it off because I get like all of 5 or 10 minutes before the battery's dead, and that's not even like pushing it. So I've had a suspicion that something's been going on. And so what I'm going to do for now is I took the two 30 amp hour AGM batteries, the OEM one and the UTV stereo battery I had. My suspicion is the UTV stereo battery went bad. I've had it for 5 or 6 years now. It was one of the first things I added to my 1K, and I brought it over to this machine when I got it. So chances are it went bad, blew a cell or something, and then just over time it killed the OEM battery. It's not uncommon for OEM batteries to die in 2 years, but probably not what happened. So for now, I actually picked up a lithium battery, and as you can tell, pretty lightweight. I think the capacity on this is very similar to a 30 amp hour AGM. I'm not sure how the math works with lithium, but I'm gonna give it a shot. And worst case scenario, I just need to get this thing moving so I can get out of the garage for now. But I do have plans to put another lithium battery in here with more capacity, because this is mostly just a starting battery, and I need something I can use when the machine's off. Run my accessory relay and that kind of stuff. So let's throw this thing in real quick, see if it works. So for right now, really all I want to do is just get it running. I'm not going to hook everything up. I really just want to get the starting relay running so that I can turn this damn thing on and get it out of the garage. That's pretty much my only goal right now. So that's what I'm doing. You gotta be freaking kidding me with this thing.
1 hour later.
Scares the shit out of me every damn time I do it. Every damn time. Like I haven't done it 100 times. In case you're wondering, that is my shitty ass RPM E-valve actuator. That needs to be replaced. So it is no bueno. Alright, will it work? Of course, nothing's ever that simple. Apparently, the old RZR don't like the lithium, and I don't know if you can see, but at idle we're hitting 14.4, which is throwing the dash off, and it killed the ride command. So I don't know, man. I guess I'll throw another AGM in here. All right. Well, just as a test, I went ahead and took my lawnmower battery out and threw it on the side-by-side, which I had to I had to come up with a concoction of shit because this thing won't fit down in there. But she's running fine. Voltages are good. And I guess I'm taking that thing back to the store because it don't work. Alright, well, there you go, guys. Apparently, not all lithiums are created equal. So, you live, you learn. I'm going to go to the store, give me another battery, and then I guess I'll see you guys in a little bit.
One eternity later.
Alright, we're back. And we're just going to use the tried and true 30 amp hour AGM power source batteries because why complicate it, I guess. Let's do it. No, I'm not. Get your ass in there. Hey, so fun fact. This is the first time I've ever had to fill my own battery. Usually they come pre-done, which this one I guess was already done. Maybe it was a return. I don't know. It's got a warranty, so I'm not too worried about it. But this one, I had to do it myself. So first time I ever had to do that. And once it's done, you seal it, and it's like that forever. Yeehaw.
Day 2.
Oh, hey, welcome back. So, batteries obtained. I got the primary battery partially installed, and I picked up a little something that my good buddy recommended to me. It's a little 2 amp. Keep it on board the machine, like you just install it with the battery and just leave it on the machine, just to make putting the machine on the tender a little easier and a little faster. So. With the second battery, I'm also going to throw this in. So, here we go. So it comes with this little mounting strap. Well, I'm going to try to stuff up in here. Make it fit. Also, I have a strap coming for the second battery now. Before I was using just a plumber strap, but we can talk about that. I have an actual strap coming for it. Got it. Tuck this cable down in there. I'll save it for after the zip tie. Yeah. As soon as I get the strap, I'll come back in and I'll strap that down. And then this can just hang out down here. Because I'm not ready to actually use this yet. And once I get everything ready, I'll stick that out and run it under the seat or something, just so it's easily accessible. All right, let's go hook up the other side. All right, well, that's about it. Primary battery hooked up, accessories, which for those who don't know, this is my parallel wires, and this is for my distribution block, which feeds everything else up front. Good resting battery, voltage, thank God, because I'm tired of dealing with voltage problems. Let's throw some shit together so I can get it out of here and get the other machine in here. I'm way behind schedule. Keep doing this. There we go. In case you're wondering, these holes are quite difficult to line up all at the same time. Grab some there we go. There's that one. Started at least. Thankfully, these little ones are easy once you get the top end, because the bumper has a bit of play in it. The upper bars, there ain't no play in those. They don't move.